Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Lollipop Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free parking. Featuring a heated outdoor swimming pool, Lollipop Motel is located in North Wildwood. Free Wi-Fi access and barbecue facilities are available. A kitchenette with a hob, microwave and refrigerator is provided in each guest room. A seating area with a sofa and a cable TV are also included. Laundry facilities are available at the North Wildwood Lollipop Motel. The property offers free parking. The beach and the boardwalk are 5 minutes walk from the motel. Morey's Piers and Beachfront Waterparks is 0.6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.